In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy designs fast from Figma to Webflow. The quickest way to move your design from Figma into Webflow is by using the official Figma to Webflow plugin. This method saves a lot of time, especially when you want to preserve layout structure and avoid rebuilding everything manually. Start by opening your design in Figma. Once your file is open, press Ctrl and K to open the command search. From there, click on Plugins, search for Figma to Webflow, and then run the plugin and connect it. This gives Figma and Webflow the connection they need so your design can be transferred properly. Before you export anything, take a moment to organize your Figma file so it translates cleanly into Webflow's Flexbox system. This part is important because a clean Figma structure usually leads to a much cleaner result after pasting into Webflow. If your layers are messy or not aligned well, the final layout may need more editing later. Next, select the frame or component you want to transfer in Figma. Make sure you are choosing the exact section you want to bring into Webflow. Whether that's a full page section, a card, a hero area, or another component. After that, apply Auto Layout to every frame and component by pressing Shift and A. Auto Layout is essential here because it controls spacing, padding, margins, and alignment. In other words, it helps Webflow understand how your design is supposed to behave. If you skip this step, the pasted result may not match your intended layout as closely. Now open the Figma to Webflow plugin. In the plugin, select Layers. Click Connect and then click Copy. This prepares your selected design for transfer and places the data on your clipboard, so you can bring it straight into Webflow. Then open your project in the Webflow Designer. Select the body or a container section where you want the design to go, and press Ctrl and V on Windows, or Command and V on Mac, to paste. Webflow will then generate the elements based on the structure from your Figma design. Once it's pasted, you can customize it. This is where you fine-tune styles. Make any spacing adjustments and ensure everything looks exactly the way you want inside your Webflow project. That's it for the process. Thanks for watching.